The Zulu culture dress, also known as Isicholo or traditional Zulu attire, has a rich history and significance in Zulu culture. Here's a brief overview. History 1. Pre-colonial era, Zulu people wore animal hides, furs, and woven fibers. 2. Colonial era, 19th century, European influence introduced cloth, changing traditional dress. 3. Post-colonial era, 20th century, traditional dress revived as a symbol of cultural identity. Components 1. Isicholo, headband, worn by married women, indicating marital status. 2. Ibinka, beadwork, adorns neck, arms, and legs, signifying status, age, and marital status. 3. Amabeshu, cowhide apron, worn by men and women, symbolizing cultural heritage. 4. Isibaba, pleated skirt, worn by women, representing femininity and beauty. 5. Inkosazana, traditional top, worn by women, showcasing craftsmanship. Colors and symbolism. 1. Red, symbolizes life, vitality, and fertility. 2. Blue, represents spirituality, wisdom, and royalty. 3. White, signifies purity, innocence, and peace. 4. Black, represents ancestral heritage and community. 5. Yellow, symbolizes happiness, prosperity, and sunshine. Occasions. 1. Traditional weddings Umabo. 2. Initiation ceremonies Imbizo. 3. Cultural festivals in Daba. 4. Funerals Okuhamba. 5. Royal events KwaZulu-Natal monarchy. Influence. 1. European colonization introduced Western-style clothing. 2. African diaspora influenced Zulu dress with African American and Caribbean styles. 3. Contemporary fashion, Zulu culture inspires modern designers. Preservation. 1. Traditional dress worn during cultural events. 2. Education, teaching younger generations about cultural significance. 3. Fashion designers incorporating traditional elements. Interesting facts. 1. Zulu traditional dress varies among clans and regions. 2. Beadwork takes months to complete. 3. Traditional dress is passed down through generations. Would you like more information on Zulu culture, traditional dress?